Ain't nothing known on my phone. I just turned my mic off by mistake. So yeah, I had to look like, oh, mic is off. See the police or that's the charger. I don't know. So yeah, yeah, they ain't over here yet. They like far west for now. At least they made a gate right here. Cage gate area right here. Why do my feet hurt, bro? Why do my feet hurt? So yeah, there's a chiropractor over there. No, I hope it's a good one. Like sometimes chiropractors be bullshit. Sometimes some chiropractors be bullshit. They just do it for like for the job. They don't really want to learn shit. You know. But yeah. So yeah. That's a nice old truck. My boy, where you going? Say fuck it. And he just popped his ass. That wasn't the Xfinity. I don't think it was the Xfinity. Just popped him. Little heart pulse. But yeah. So yeah, I'm coming past this area. I know we're gonna come past this area. There's gonna be some bullshit. Cause I already knew. So yeah. So yeah. Well, that's some agitation though. So yeah. Yeah, that's crazy. So this is kind of a hot area. I don't know why this area is constantly hot over here. But you know, I had to start back recording because this area is kind of a hot area. You know, you got certain areas and they kind of like hot areas. So I had to start recording. It's a hot area. So yeah, there's a bunch of cars, so I'm about to go. I'll go ahead. I ain't in too much of a rush, so I ain't tripping. Well, yeah, they turn it on a little agitation. That's crazy. Got some Asian. Yeah, I'm trying to hurry up and get across the street. Like, this area is kind of a hot area. So, you good. But yeah, this area is kind of a hot area. You can feel it like over here. Yeah. So it's low, but it's still effective. It's kind of annoying, like the whole area. They're heating up the area like this. Like they're heating up the area like this. I seen this. Look at the popos. So, let's go. I like that he got the little race thing. Ain't nothing wrong with that. The little race thing in the back. So yeah. Oh yeah, I got a long way to go. I forgot that I got to go down here too. So yeah. You still feel it, that agitation. I'm on 47th. Well, technically, if I go down this way, but it's like a store area or a parking area. So that'd be ash. This some long ass no, when you get over here, some long ass blocks. Yeah, you can fit over there. Let's talk about the people over there. So yeah, got the kids over here, but it's kind of like talking about them over there. Make you look at them with some anger and rage. Let me not pick up shit that don't belong to me. Do not pick up shit that make me pick up some shit. I was gonna pick it up too. Yeah, it's hot. It's a little hot over here. It's 63 degrees. They got one of these. They love these type of cars. The old. It ain't rusted out yet. Not rusted out yet. Just messed my feet a lot. They go 47. I think that's a factory ever. It just with this area, when I come down here, feet be hurting. National Carry Unit, nothing just showing. I don't know why. Yeah. Okay, 48-15. We on 48th and Western. This is a small little weird little intersection. Look at this. Oh, it's a factory job. This is a factory job over here. It's a factory job over here. I don't know if he's just a regular car on the hobo or some shit. But yeah. I gotta use flipping switches over there. Talk about him or something. Got the cars over here. I'm coming past the area, making the area feel hostile. In nature, this is the bus stop. It's the bus station. I'm coming past the bus station. You know, CTA Green Line Station. Yeah, they bored. They said do it. Look. So yeah. Yeah, it made me see some images. Probably somebody running or something. Somebody brainwaves, some shit. Little hot area. Smell like spoiled fruit over here. So, yeah, at the pumping station, Western Avenue pumping station, water pumping station. Some zaps. Neck twitch. Yeah, the police station reminded me of the 103rd police station. When I went in there, it felt kind of cool. Felt cool. Like, I think it was like one officer. I think I went in there before. So I don't think I went in there. I think I went in there before. Then it was my second time going in there. Then this time it was like empty as hell. The last time was a couple of people in there. And I went in there second time. It was only like one person up in there. It's like empty as hell. Where's everybody at? Oh, this police station ain't empty. And the one on 103rd. I forgot what's the first issue. Then I went up there. I think again. What we got? That's a funeral home. I think that's over here across the street. That's a funeral home, not a church. Trying to make me seem like it's a church. It's a funeral home. I feel kind of weak over here too, and hot. How you gonna do the hot and the cold? Hey. All right, they did the hot and the cold. Hot and cold chill. So yeah. Yeah. On 51st. Curve change. Oh shit. Got some delivery or something. So yeah. What's you up with that? Maybe zoom. He tried to stop me from going across the street. He said, "Where you going, bitch?" Well, I'm gonna keep going. You ain't gonna stop me from going nowhere. Motherfucker. Here go Bubble Land. It's not that many Bubble Lands. You don't hear about Bubble Land too much. Everybody's kind of making their everybody making their laundromat. And laundromats are needed. Don't get me wrong, I don't think it's a big profit margin. It's not probably a big profit margin for laundromats. It's a hell of an investment, you know. Dog. So yeah, who using switches? So who using switches? They use the switches trying to make me yell at the dog. And do it at the same time. Oh yeah, I remember. Here you go. He wrote something new. There you go. There you go. I don't know. So, I got an animal hospital over here.